high-rise living in Mississauga. A stone throw away from this rock. Is that beautiful? Ain't not plain at all, as to say. It's gorgeous. You get the best of both worlds. Condo living and the free open places.